Are you kidding me? Love you endlessly. Can't wait to see you conquer the world. I mean, now this is a piece of cloth. Dear Sarah, another year, another birthday, and always grateful to have you. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be super fun because I am unboxing my birthday mystery box made by my team. You all love my team and I love them too, of course. I work with them day in, day out. I'm all the time with my team. And so this time I told my team that since I'm turning 26, I will give each one of you 2600 rupees to add something to a mystery box that can be like a birthday hamper for me. Some boxes over here, some letters, and Sharon has again started being suspicious, so she's acting very sus while I'm even filming this video. I've also not eaten any food, so I hope there is some food in this box somewhere because I'm super hungry as well. It is lunch time actually, but देखते हैं इन्होंने क्या डाला है, कौन मेरे को बेस्ट जानता है और क्या मैं गेस कर सकती हूँ कि किसने क्या डाला है. So in this box I'll tell you the team members who are involved. There are a lot of my team members who work distance में and those people are not really involved in this. Only the ones who come to office are in this video involved. So Sharon, Bonaita, Amit and Raj, Taha and Pooja is the only distinct team member that is a part of this mystery box. So there are, I think 1, 2, 3, 4 ही दिख रहे Sharon मुझे. किसी ने okay, Sharon is like, don't worry. आएगा ठीक है, शुरू करते हैं. I'm very excited to see what is there. Let's get started. If this is the first time you've come onto my channel, then hi, I'm Sarah. I make beauty and lifestyle videos here on YouTube. Take a moment, hit that subscribe button, join the Sarah squad. I'm sure you'll love it here. And also don't forget to hit the bell icon right next to it so that every time I upload a video, you get notified. And with that, we can dive straight into this. Alright then, the first box that is most inviting to me is actually this lamba dabba over here. I don't know what is in it. Everything is wrapped in happy birthday paper. I love my birthday era, which is there. This Jan and Feb is my favorite time of the month. Aquarius season is honestly the best for me always. Like the energy I feel in Aquarius season, I feel happy, overwhelmed. The best energy I feel comes in my zodiac sign ka season jab mujhe hota hai. I don't know if it's with everybody, but for me, my season suits me the best. Like I'm a true blue Aquarian in every way. देखते हैं. मुझे तो I'm not good with wrapping paper. मैं चीत फाड़ कर देती हूँ सारे. What is in this? This is some box. Is it a showpiece of some sort? A gamla? Oh! Dude! Are you kidding me? Oh my god! This gorgeous, who gave, this is Sharon. This is for sure Sharon. Oh my god, this gorgeous Zara bag. मैंने बहुत time से Zara पे shopping नहीं की है. Like I think it's been over a year that I've not shopped on Zara. And Sharon and I keep talking that okay, for a video idea, let's go to Zara. Let's see what's new in the store and then I'll order. I went recently to the store also, but I never picked up anything. But I saw so many people buy this clutch. It's so classy. It's so classy that I was like, this I want to buy. But somehow I'm so busy all the time that whatever I add to cart, I never check out and I never get time to go to the store. And I can't believe you got it. Now I'm very sure she's the only one who knew that I wanted this, and it's so apt. Like this is the color we discussed also, because Sharon and I discuss bags the most because she styles my outfits for events and everything, and whenever हम styling कर रहे और कुछ missing होता है, she's like, okay, next time you buy this, next time you buy this. This bag is available in different colors, and when we saw it, we were like, okay, we'll get a dark brown because I don't have a nice dark brown. This is so classy. आज के event में जाने का मन कर रहा है अभी मुझे ये bag मिलने के बाद. आज एक event है जिसके लिए I've said no because I am having a lot of body ache. But wow, dude, the quality is so good. It has this nice gold chain. It can be worn as a not as a crossbody. I think crossbody बहुत short हो जाएगा. You can wear it on one shoulder like this. आप Indian outfits पे भी इसको carry कर सकते हो. What I really like is the shape. ये जो सामने का shape है कितना edgy है. Like आप ऐसा हाथ ऐसा रख के you carry it around. Wow, this bag is so good, so good. The quality is really good. It's made in Canada. Canada का माल है ये. बहुत ही अच्छा Sharon, love it. I know it's Sharon. She's not agreeing that it's her. They are not saying who's given what, but I think it's. I don't know why I had a feeling, you know, this would be in this box. एक दिन मुझे बाथरूम में सूझा था जब मैं सोच रही थी, जब ये सब आ चुका था, I was thinking कि क्या डाला होगा. मुझे तो लग रहा था कि होगा. मेरे intuition बड़े correct चलते हैं. I mean, this is a piece of cloth. What is it that I want? Apart from Sharon, nobody really knows me well in the team is what I think, but she must have definitely influenced their purchases. That also I know. So let's see what's in this and who's given it. Ooh, what is this? Oh, there are two things in this. This is a piece of cloth. Am I supposed to is this some traditional? Is it a dupatta? Is it a suit piece? You don't know who's given what? You don't know who's given what? You know. This is Amit? Has Amit given this? Is it a sari? I'm very confused. It's too small to be a sari, don't you think? Looks like a sari. It's very beautiful nonetheless. I'm in my sari era, so everyone's been giving me saris and my collection is only growing and growing. There's another thing inside this box, that is the Skin by Titan Sheer Eau de Parfum. Let me try this fragrance and see if I like it. I think this is Amit. A perfume and a sari seems like the kind of gift Amit would give me. Ooh, I really like the bottle. It's the fragrance Sheer. It's this purple one. I've not put perfume today, so good thing. Really nice. It is a sari only, for sure. Yeah, it's very patla. So I thought first it's a dupatta or a suit piece, but it is a sari. Really beautiful. Blouse क्यों नहीं है लेकिन अगर साड़ी है तो कि उसमें से ही काटना है उसमें attached है क्या? Okay, next we've got this big box. खाना क्यों नहीं दिया यार किसी ने? First I'll open this. This is a frame. This is some sort of a frame. There's no artist in this group. Nobody's done any art. Okay, now this you're recording, so this is Amit's for sure. So whose is that? That's Raj? Raj has given that? Oh my god. Now Sharon is recording and Amit ने strict instructions दिया था कि record करना record. So I'm pretty sure ये Amit ने दिया है. ये Amit ने दिया है. Because he's not here and he wanted to see my reaction. ये frame है. और मुझे लग रहा है या तो उसने कुछ ड्रॉ किया है या तो इसमें हमारी फोटो है. ओ इतना बड़ा लेटर भी है. ये पक्का अमित है. That is Raj, the sari and this. And Amit has influenced Raj's decision for sure. This is Amit's handwriting, I know so well. Dear Sara, another year, another birthday, and always grateful to have you. Proudly can count 29 January as my holiday. Now, tough call for gifts because though it's Christmas on birthday, I ended up buying a dress only. Always thought to have to gift something from out of the box, but then same scenario, but not this year. As I know you very well, gifting you something which is very close to your heart. For the last 3 years, you shifted 3 places. There are ups and downs from pipeline problem to pathetic owners, etc., etc. And I know how badly you need a place which you can call home. And as they say, home is where the heart is, and I know where your heart belongs. A gift you want to keep with you forever. Wherever you are, this gift will remind you of your home. Can't write more because then you can easily guess, and I don't want that. Happy birthday, Sara. Grateful to have you every single day. You're one of a kind and you deserve everything that this special day brings. You are the brightest star in the galaxy and you make the world a better, brighter place. Always there for you. Yours forever and biggest cheerleader, Amit. Amit is too good with his words. This is some photo of the house or... Oh my god! Oh my god! I love this picture so much. Dude, Fajja, see? Fajjo. See, Babu, what we got. See? Mama and you. You like it? You guys, I love this picture so much. This is a picture of Fudge and I जो अमित ने bedroom tour shoot करते वक्त लिया था. What an iconic shoot that was. So we have our funny stories behind the bedroom tour का shoot. And actually bedroom का photo is so wholesome also because bedroom was the one room which got completed fast. It was so cozy and it was my safe space when the house was not ready. I love this picture so much because अमित ने actually हर एक घर में फज के साथ एक फोटो ली है. हर बार जब होम टूर शूट होता था, होम टूर में फज की फोटो used to be on the thumbnail. You will see it's a constant. Fudge is my constant. He is my home actually. Fudge is my home and I love this picture so much. Like Fudge is looking at me and he's like, oh mama, we got a final house. It's so wholesome and it's actually not a photo. It's a digital art done on the photo. Like, oh, so nice. My favorite photo. It's so good. I love it. Amit, thank you so much. I love it so much. I love it. That peaked, okay, for a reason. That just peaked. Huh? Where is your letter? Oh, there is a letter. Printed and इधर ही प्रिंट लिया है ना तूने?
प्रिंट अभी लिया है.
अच्छा वो printed note. Okay. Happy birthday. This is by Sharon. So now we know this is by Sharon. We knew that from before. Happy birthday, Sarah. 26 years of passion and relentless hard work. I'm beyond proud of everything you've achieved, the lives you've impacted, and the incredible person you continue to be every single day. Watching you build your dreams with so much dedication and grace is nothing short of inspiring, and I know this is just the beginning. The best is yet to come, and the world hasn't even seen half of what you're capable of. You are not just an amazing entrepreneur, but also a daughter who brings so much love to her family, a girlfriend who nurtures with care, a friend who always shows up, and a boss who leads with kindness and vision. Balancing it all with your unstoppable spirit is truly admirable, and I feel so lucky to be a part of your journey. On your special day, I hope to take a moment to celebrate yourself, the powerhouse, the dreamer, and the go-getter that you are. May this year bring you even more success, happiness, and unforgettable memories. Wishing you the most special birthday and a lifetime of love, joy, and achievements ahead. Love you endlessly. Can't wait to see you conquer the world. With love, Sharon, Team Sarah Sarosh. I love you so much. Come here, I want to give you a
I
hug.
look shy.
I'll give you off camera hug. Fudgy, so wholesome. So wholesome. No, Shonu? Oh, I love it. Who's left? This is Taha. Is it Taha or is it Pooja? Pooja should also be very like... Pooja will... I don't know. I don't know actually. I don't know. Pooja's surprise should have been कि वो आ जाए, but पप्पा टिकट का पैसा नहीं देंगे. वो बहुत आ चुकी है अभी. I feel like going to her. Inshallah. Oh, I'm so bad at opening gifts. Ooh, Gryffindor socks. So many Gryffindor socks. I already have these. This is from Valencia. You know my Harry Potter obsession. So I have Harry Potter socks, and anklet socks are my favorite because I hate the socks coming out of the sneakers. Pooja sent this? This is Pooja? No. This is a Harry Potter card holder. Mr. H. Potter, the cupboard under the stairs, 4 Privet Drive, Little Whining. It has the stamp of Harry Potter and everything. It's the card holder. Harry Potter card holder. I have a feeling ये इंडिया से नहीं है. ये यूके से आया है. ये I think यूके से आया है. And a Hogwarts mug. But ये इंडिया से हो सकता है. Damn cute. I love it. Such a collector's item. Look. Oh my god, the Hogwarts is so nicely made. The Hogwarts print is so nicely done. And so is the back. With the entire flags, सारे houses के emblems है इस पे. Mug is really great quality. अगर पूजा ने भेजा होता ना तो then Wizarding World का sticker होता. This is Bonai. Oh yeah, of course. Yes. Oh wow, I love the attention to detail. So cute. Yes, this is Bonai. It was not screaming Taha. I don't know why. तो Taha का कहाँ है? और पूजा?
हाँ, अभी वो भी आएगा. तो मंगाऊं?
हाँ.
बोला था आ जाओ Taha का.
वो बाहर ही खड़ी है. क्या सिर्फ पेपर दिया है उसने? 2600 का पेपर. इतना महंगा पेपर. A gift of a massage for you. Thank you. Oh my god. Yes. This is the best gift you can ever give me. Is a massage. Please book it on Urban Company. I'll tell you which masseuse to book. Also not sponsored. The best gift, dude. I need a massage so bad, and Taha knows that. He's not giving the massage, no? I need.
No.
Yeah. Oh my god. Yes. कितना गंदा प्रिंट लिया है, बट प्रिंट तो अच्छा. इसलिए वो बोला 30th को 7 बजे आप फ्री रहो. 30th को 7 बजे बिकॉज ही थॉट बर्थडे के बाद आई डिड नीड अ मसाज. जस्ट गॉट अ मसाज 2 days बैक, सो आई विल यूज दिस 2 weeks लेटर. 2 weeks में एक बार तो आई नीड अ मसाज. नेक्स्ट गिफ्ट. पूजा का गिफ्ट लाओ, पेश किया जाए. मैंने वो KFC का डब्बा देख ली थी बाहर. KFC क्यों दे रही है पूजा मेरे को? इज इट दैट ओरिजिनल? कांट ओपन माय आईज. मैं कितनी शिद्दत से तुम लोग आग बंद रखती हो जब तुम लोग बोलते हो. खोलो क्या? ओ बचपन की सारी चीजें. अरे चिकन पैटिस एंड सूला शेरिन ब्लॉन्ग, ये बचपन में नहीं पीती थी बट जब से पीने लगी तब से यही पीती। सोला शेरिन, आज भी मैं सोला शेरिन ब्लॉन्ग की पीती हूँ, सबसे सस्ती, सबसे बेस्ट। सोशल्स का पनीर चिल्ली, I will cry. And KFC zinger, dude, I'll cry. This is हम लोग के बचपन की सारी चीजें. I know this is a Team SS mystery box, but I'm going to be your best friend rather than your manager for now. Making your birthday special for you has always been one of the January goals for all your best friends. Every year it was weeks of planning for your cake, gift, experiences, and the party, of course. Be it going all around Mumbai to get you the perfect cake or blindfolding you all the way to Gateway of India for a yacht experience. I know it has always been very important for you to have your people around you on your day, and in the last few years of adulting has really messed it up for us. With everyone moving away, we have not been able to celebrate how we always would. I can't bring you those days back no matter how much I want to, but this is a small attempt to get you something that connects you to your friends in the simplest of ways. Food has been a stress reliever for all of us together through school and college, so these are some things that you ate with Purnima, Tamanna, Kainat, Roshni and I. Through our years of friendship, we would always go out for big dinners to bring in your birthday, but I hope these small things bring you some happiness. Thinking of the times we ate these things together, either after school or in lunch breaks in Aditi or at socials. Love you always and see you soon. Also, happy almost birthday, baby. My mascara is not waterproof. I have to shoot for Lanco. Not for shoulder. I miss my friends too much, dude. This chicken patties is from, I don't know from where it is. This is not Flora Bakery. फ्लोरा बेकरी दे इवॉल्व, हम लोग स्कूल के टाइम पे ऐसी नहीं दिखती थी, इतनी फ्लेकी थी वो 10 रुपए की पैटिस, और हम लोग वो ही फ्लोरा बेकरी की पैटिस खाते थे. इवन व्हेन आई हिट 1 million, तमन्ना एंड पूर्णिमा वेंट ऑन द, दे वर एट वर्क, जैसे ही मेरा 1 million हुआ, दे वेंट ऑन अ स्कूटर, क्विकली वेंट टू फ्लोरा बेकरी, गॉट दिस एंड चिकन, 30 रुपीज का चिकन पफ, 20 रुपए का लॉलीपॉप एंड दिस 10 रुपए का पैटिस. अभी कितने का आता है आई डोंट नो. लेके आके दे वर लाइक अभी 1 million हो गया, बट याद रख के ये खा के हम बड़े हुए. So that was what they got me. I remember Purnima was my first school best friend, जो आज भी मेरी दोस्त है. I made a lot of friends in school, but of course everybody's gone their separate ways. But Purnima was my, and she hated me before, okay? But the way we bonded was over KFC. After Mahesh tutorials, we used to go to KFC and have this 30 rupees का meal that you used to get. This zinger strip मिलता था, वो छोटा सा burger, और एक वो crusher मिलता था. And we used क्रशर नहीं मिला, क्रशर डिस्कंटिन्यू हो गया. बट पता है वो 30 रुपीज का मील में हम लोग लीसा को कितना बेवकूफ बनाते थे. नहीं, हम मिनोशे को बेवकूफ बनाते थे कि इफ यू ईट ड्रिंक टिल दैट लाइन, एग्जैक्टली टिल दैट लाइन, दे विल गिव यू वन मोर मील फ्री. शी यूज्ड टू एवरी टाइम ट्राई टू ड्रिंक टिल द लाइन. I have so many memories with this. At Paneer Socials के Paneer Chilli with the menu, because Roshni is veg and Pooja and I are non-veg. But every time we go out with Roshni, we have to order veg, वरना खाना waste हो जाएगा. The one veg thing Pooja and I also love is Paneer Chilli, and we've eaten. There was this restaurant outside KEM, is Aditi Veg Restaurant. तो उधर भी हम पनीर चिल्ली खाना, वो भी टेस्ट चेंज हो गया. अभी मैं हाल ही में गई थी, बट Socials का टेस्ट इज द सेम. Socials का पनीर चिल्ली slaps, bro. So good. And that Atmanirbhar box. I know my best friend orders also, like Long Island iced tea का बड़ा picture, okay, और एक Atmanirbhar box. That's it. I want to eat this chicken patty so bad. Dude, the taste is same. Oh my god, ये पूरा खराब हो जाता है, इसलिए आई डोंट ईट. टेस्ट बिल्कुल नहीं बदला इनका, दिखता अलग है बट गुड थिंग. उनका लोगो भी बदल गया मैम, नाउ इट्स कॉल्ड फ्लोरा बाइट्स. बट द बर्थडेज आई हैव हैड व्हेन माय फ्रेंड्स वर हियर, आई स्टिल हैड अ क्रेजी बर्थडे दिस टाइम, बट I miss all of like I don't know when will all of them be to. That's what makes me cry. You know, like maybe Purnima will come, then Tamanna idhar hai, chal. Purnima will come when Kainat will not be there. Pooja will come, Roshni will not be there. Koi na koi like सब साथ में नहीं आते. अभी Roshni had just come Jan में, so now I don't know when she'll come. When Pooja will come next time, maybe Roshni won't come. If I go there, it'll not be the same because I'll be a tourist there. Then they'll be showing me new things. I know things are. I don't know. It's good. It's bad. Adulting is hard. So hard, but this was so wholesome. So I am going to end this video right here. It was the most wholesome ever. I could not guess that you give me the Harry Potter things. I thought that is Pooja, you know, because I thought UK se aaya hai. But I was like, I don't think UK se itna jaldi aa jayega. But I love it. I love everything. Thank you so much, girls and the boys who are outside. Amazing. Thank you so much for making this for me, for making my day always. And you all are literally like such good girlfriends, I must say, because you all always keep me so energetic, on my toes, and happy also. Like you all fill in the void that my best friends left for sure. Yeah, really. Like this is the first birthday I didn't miss them as much as I always miss them, because you all were always around me, just hovering. So I was never like in my head. So I loved that. Thank you so much. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. This was so wholesome. Thank you so much for being here, Sarah Squad. I know you all loved the birthday vlog. आज सुबह मैं उठते के साथ birthday vlog के comments पढ़ रही थी and everything was so wholesome, and it made my morning, and I'm so energetic and so on my feet also because y'all are always there to support me, have my back, and I'm so grateful. I am, because you are, and you all keep me on my toes too. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget a big thumbs up. For today's video, Sasko shout out goes to Pihu Jain. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. If you want to be a part of next year's Sasko shout out, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button, bell icon right next to it, and also comment down below saying hashtag Sarah Squad and transfer for my next video, Sarah Squad shout out. I'll see you guys very soon in another video. Bye guys, love you.